guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I make my eyelash and eyebrow growth serum. So let's get straight into it. What you will need is castor oil and vitamin E oil, and this is the vitamin E oil that I use. So what you're gonna do is, what I like to do is unscrew the cap off of both of them, and you will need 2 pipettes. So this pipette will be for vitamin E, and then this pipette will be for castor oil. Now, because castor oil is a little bit thicker, I like to cut the tip just off just a little bit so that it can come out faster. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with castor oil. You're gonna take your tube and you're just gonna start squeezing in the castor oil
into the tube. And because castor oil is so thick, it comes out very slow, as you can probably see.
And once you get halfway, you're gonna start putting in vitamin E oil for the rest of the half of the bottle, if that makes sense. So basically you're gonna do half castor, that's okay. You're gonna do half castor oil and half vitamin E. Now the key here is you don't want to fill this up all the way, because you don't want it to overflow when you put one in. So I'm gonna stop about right there, and you're going to get out the stopper. You're gonna put it in like this, push it down, and then put that mascara wand back in. And then there you go. Now it is gonna have, I guess you can say, these bubbles in it, but that's only because you're mixing 2 different grades of oils. It will settle. Yep, and this is it. So now I'm gonna just fill up the rest. This is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Make sure you check the description box below, like this video, and subscribe. And go and check out my website to purchase these if this is something that you were interested in. I have been using mine for about 2 weeks now, and I have already seen results. My lashes have grown, so it definitely works. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching.